The most important trait of a modern CMO right now is not particularly functional skills. It's around collaboration and culture building. Why that's really important, it's how you get things done that's critically important, because marketing right now is not a silo of just thinking about, I'm in the marketing department doing my job.
I really value the relationship that I have with the other, C-suite leaders within the company. It is really helpful to be able to cross over into their worlds and have, frequent discussions with them about what's happening in their areas of the business.
The cross-collaboration of a marketer thinking about, what do I need to know about the supply chain? Because I can't overpromise a product or a service on delivery. What do I need to know about human capital? Because if we have a field, we need to make sure that our marketing is aligned with the field, so I need to collaborate with my CHRO.
We often find that we can help solve certain issues or challenges that we may be facing when we can come together and meet and talk through those challenges and see where, marketing might be able to help human resources. The push for talent these days it's fierce, and, the marketing department in partnership with HR can really help get job postings out. It's not an area of traditional marketing we normally think of, but it helps the entire company. So those types of open discussions I think are really helpful for the teams.
There's so much more involvement, and even with the CFO, there's so many different ways to spend your money right now, and really having someone who has great financial acumen right by your side to help you sort through all of these financial challenges that are a big part of a marketer's job today is so critically important.